Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to have you here today, where you will enjoy watching different DIYs for home decoration. In today's video, you will enjoy watching me make an awesome Mother's Day DIY that you can make by yourself with Dollar Tree items. For this project, I have been using this square frame that I got from Dollar Tree, this pretty scrapbook paper, and this heart that I got from Dollar Tree a few weeks ago. I have this paper flower that I made with my Cricut machine in the previous video, and this transfer that I got from Dollar Tree, this fabulous transfer with French coats, this pom-pom ribbons, other ribbons, tumbling blocks, black paints. Also I have white chalk paint and red paint. Let's go started. I remove the black piece from this heart. I want to paint it with the pink. Before that I sand it out to make it soft. So I don't have pink, so I made it with my white chalk paint and red paint. So I add only very tiny dots from red paint to make it pink. I mix it. And then I apply this color on my heart. I apply 2 coats of this pink paint. When it dry, the first one, I add the second one. Now I have this transfer. Just pull out the first layer of this transfer, put it on the heart, and rub every word. The most important, when you put on any surface, you don't move it because it can ruin this transfer. So you decide where you are going to apply it. I am centering the picture, then I rub every word very well with a little bit of pressure, and rubbing with a scraper, or you can use popsicle stick too. As you see, I'm making sure that every word is on the surface. Another piece that I cut, I put it on the side, rub, and take off this plastic. Yes, another, this layer. Yes, nice. Then I sand it out all around this heart to make it neat. Et voila, I like it. I'm checking where I'm gonna put these flowers, so I'm gonna glue them later. So I'm gonna put them all around this heart. Okay. I'm gonna use these tumbling blocks to make a shadow box. So I'm gonna paint them black because my frame is black. So I need baby wipes to paint them with my black paint. I use my E6000 to glue this glass on the frame to make sure it will not move. Then these black blocks that I painted already, I glue them with my hot glue and Gorilla Glue to make sure it's gonna stick there. I'm gonna glue them all around this black frame to make a shadow box. Yes. I clean the glass. Now I'm gonna work on this heart. I'm gonna glue this pom-pom ribbon all around this wooden heart to make it cute and add some details to this piece with these flowers all around. Now I make a messy bow or crisscross bow with these strips of ribbons, white and pink. They have small hearts designed. Put them on top each other, and with zip tie I'm going to go underneath and zip tie it in the middle. Then glue it in the middle on the top of this heart. Put everything together now on the frame and glue it in the back. Close it. Almost done. Checking everything is neat and clean with this strong tape. I'm taping in the back, so make it strong. I'm making now a hanger with my beads. Et voilà, maintenant it's not cute. It's easy to make it. Anyone can make it at home with these Dollar Tree items to honor our special mother. I hope you like this project. Let me know in your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And take care. See you soon. Bye.